These are leaves. Do you know what they are? Yes, they are the leaves for arrowroot. Now we've been sharing extensively about arrowroot. This is how it is grown. Yes, it is a tuber. Arrowroot is of the turmeric ginger family. As you notice the leaves, they look like the turmeric. Arrowroot grows over a period of months. This arrowroot grew for about a year. So it takes a while for the arrowroot to grow and to bear tubers. So yeah, the arrowroot was planted in a box, in a Listerine box that was roped up. And yes, it is sharing space. Its neighbor is some spinach because the arrowroot is a tuber, so it's below the ground or the earth. And in digging this box, I realized that there was some that was left down here, so I'm gonna try to take it out. Gonna use my gloves to go down. And yeah, this box is deteriorating. But yeah, check out that arrowroot. And there's another piece down there. It's to find it. So it's best to really plant it in directly in the ground. But if you don't have that soil, if you don't have that space, I think this is the tip of it. So yeah, arrowroot. This is it. This is how it's grown. So yeah, the next video we're gonna show you how to use it. So this is how it's grown. And yeah, it's very nutritious. Check in the description section of this video. I'll share links to videos that we did before on the uses and benefits of arrowroot. And yes, arrowroot is one of Jamaica's favorites. We use it for starch, and we use it also like to starch stuff to get it stiff. Yeah, like, you know, clothing. And also we drink it. Yep. And we also make flour, make dumplings with it too. I remember my mom giving me it as a child. So yep, that's arrowroot. Again, this is how it's grown. Yeah. Yes, looks somewhat like ginger or turmeric. One fun fact about arrowroot that many people may not know is that arrowroot can help to ward off malnutrition. So after we've reaped the arrowroot, we definitely want to put it back in the ground as it can bear more tubers. And so here, this is what we did. We added it to the soil again. Yes, you can do it. You can do it all over again. Just reap and then sow. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.